What up with y'all? This your boy Ron Don, back with another video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all see her? Look, that's my mom right there. Yeah, we in the car. We in the car going to get the other Ratchet baby. We at the daycare center. I'm gonna let her take the phone in there because I'm sitting in the car and I'm just gonna wait. So, you know, I'm gonna let her do some recording. Here you go.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be going to go get my little sister. Okay. So we at the daycare. She go to North Bend Center, Kids Center. Today we're right here. Hi, come and pick up Renaya Spikes.
She is back in room 7.
Okay. Siobhan, I'll show you that.
You know where's that, don't you?
Right there. Oh, there go my little cousin. She bad at school.
Sakari, you was at first, yeah. She had a rough time in the beginning. London! London here?
Renaya.
Renaya, come on! Renaya! Come on, little sister here. Just like today, Kyle.
And I got her.
London, come on, you leaving? Renaya, you ain't no jacket on? I thought you had a jacket on, no? Okay.
Okay, she's right here, the Ratchet owner. And I got to say hi to her. This is our channel. Say hi to her. Sakari right there. Over here, look. Right there. Right here. With the boots on. You see her? Come on. She over there. In the middle. You see her? That's the car. And I got her. And we're finna go to the store.
Come on.
Say bye-bye. Okay, now.
Hello.
We're going in the car.
What time is it over?
And she's getting in the car.
Yeah, they back. You see her? That's the Ratchet baby right there. Say hi, Ratchet baby. Oh, she don't want to talk today. I don't know why. The Ratchet baby don't want to talk. See her?
We sing the cars.
Yeah. We the Ratchet family. Yeah.
And then we gotta go to the Ratchet mama.
We ain't rich. None of that. We ain't got no big old mansion. None of that. No big fancy house.
Yup.
We drive a Ford. It's dirty. You see? Because they dirty it up.
No, not me. Not me.
Her too.
No.
I'm gonna let y'all see her room.
No. No. It's
But
clean.
she keep it clean right now. It's clean right now. That ain't gonna last long, y'all.
Not me.
The Ratchet baby. The Ratchet baby on the high. So y'all, we in the car, we driving. On our way back to the house. You know, we're gonna make another video for that. When we in the house, we just walking around. And no, I do not work for Chipotle. You know, I'm just got the shirt on. I used to work for them. And I like Chipotle. You know,
It's
just something to
busted.
throw on to run out the house to go grab Ratchet baby. go grab the Ratchet back. And she wanted to ride with me. Because she want to go to Family Dollar and buy some fake nails. And waste all her money like always. And guys, I don't get it. Why? Why do kids like buying fake nails? It's a waste of money to me.
But they sticky, Daddy.
They what?
They sticky, please.
Nacho fries are back.
Please, Daddy, they sticky.
Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all your own money, and y'all can go around. And Dollar General, Family Dollar, where we
Dollar
stop at.
Tree.
Dollar Tree, and spend y'all little couple dollars or whatever y'all want to spend it on. So y'all, we gonna end this video because you don't supposed to be driving and on the phone. So before I pull out the parking lot,
I wanna say bye.
go ahead and say bye.
Peace.